Damn, I still managed to... Yo, what's good, guys? So this is just a quick city POV, but I had to rush the recording because
red light camera ahead.
Fuck, I still have this thing on. I almost missed my exit, but I hope you guys are seeing it and it's not too close or anything. But yeah, I'm gonna fix it, but I just wanted to get this tunnel pulled for you guys. That shit sounds really good. Let me just try to make sure you guys are seeing it. There you go. That should be good. Pops are on point today. I hope you guys are hearing it. I hope the camera angle is good because it's kind of, I can't really see because it's on my head, but I hope you guys are seeing everything.
Red light camera ahead.
Yeah, I should have closed that up before I started my recording, but now it's too late. Yeah, the pops are on point. Let me see if I can get some on my downshifts. Yeah, the pops are pretty loud. I'm praying that you guys are hearing them. I look so weird with this thing on my head. Everyone's just like staring at me. I don't really care though. Oh, here's another 2YS. Is that a 350 or? Hey, it looks like a 250. I can't really see it. I kind of want to get some red lights though, so I can like downshift, so you guys can hear the pops. And it pops when I'm coming to a stop as well. I'm not making this one get me though. I'm still going through. I wonder if this guy's an old guy or like someone who's like looking at my car. Is this the same car we got kind of? If you guys will hear this pop. What kind of car is that? That looks like a 911 up there. I want to go closer to see it. Oh fuck, it's one lane. I can't even go over. A nice car up there though. There's a nice tunnel under here as well. It's pretty long. Oh fuck, the stop lights aren't working. But yeah, there's a nice tunnel up here, so I'm gonna get pulling that for you guys. This is a Porsche though. I can't tell which one it is. It's like, oh, it's not a 9, is it? I can't even tell. I don't even know which way to go from here. Oh, we go straight down? Alright, man, thank you. Damn, they're doing construction. Usually I'm on that side. I don't really want to speed because I feel like there are cops under here somewhere, but I still want to give you guys a pull. That's sick. Damn, I still managed to get a really nice pull, and I did get a solid pop in there. See, the pops are pretty good right now. yeah, the pops are warm. Like my mic, it would. I can't tell if that's a Type R behind me. Nah, it's not. It just looks like a regular Sport. Yeah, I got a little pop there when I'm coming to a stop. If I watch this back and you guys aren't hearing like the pops, then I'll just try to. Oh, I have a $2 here. I can give it. I'll just try to like modify my phone settings or something. Hey man, how's it going, brother? Oh, it's a recording, yeah.
Yeah, you're recording.
Yeah. Have a good one, man. Oh, that guy's really nice. Just roll that window back up because too windy. There's a speed camera up here though, I'm pretty sure. So that's why I always drive with my app, because it tells me everything. So that's why I drive with it. But this Civic behind me, I feel like we're going on the highway pretty soon. I feel like this Civic wants to race. I'm not sure. It just looks like it. So yeah, if this Civic wants to race me on the highway, then I'll keep recording. But if not, I'll just end the recording when I get there. Because the highway's like right around the corner here. But I'm going under another tunnel. It's not a crazy one. I don't even like to speed under it, to be honest, because it's kind of like a sharp turn. But I'm just gonna go through that, give you guys another pull, and I'll keep the recording running though in case this Civic wants to race. Alright, just roll the windows down. Damn, the car sounds sick under the tunnels. I don't know if you guys can see the Civic in the rear view, but yeah, it's a sick color though. I love the color. Oh nah, he went the other way. Yeah, let me try to show you guys. That's it right there. It's a Sport. It's not a Type R. Well, let me see. This is not an Evo though. This is just a regular Lancer. My windows up. There's a sick car up there though. What is that? Oh, I think it's just an Acura. Fuck it, I should even switch lanes, but I don't care. I'm just caught up between these two. Oh yeah, it's an Acura. I doubt he'll want to race though. I just want to get a race for you guys because I'm in a good mood today. No. I don't usually go around looking for races though, but I'm in a good mood today though. So, but yeah, I'm on the highway now. Nothing much for you guys to see here because it's just one long boring drive. Unless I see like another nice car, then I'll start recording again. But for now, it's just boring to be honest. If you guys are curious about the exhaust drone, like, let me just put it in auto so it does it itself. So right now I'm just doing the speed limit, and this is what it sounds like. So nothing excess, like it's not crazy loud or anything. Some people kind of exaggerate it. I don't know, but I mean, I like to hear my cars.
Police reported ahead.
Yeah, that's what my app does. Police ahead. So now I know to go in the slow lane and make sure I'm going to speed limit again. But yeah, I like to hear my car. So even if it was louder, I still don't think I would mind. So yeah, it's pretty good to me. Some people say it's too loud because it's a muffler delete with a vibrant resonator. Maybe without a resonator it would be too loud. I have no clue, but it sounds raspy without the resonator. In my opinion, that's why I got the vibrant one. Even though I didn't go straight pipe first, like I didn't have a muffler and a res delete. I just got the muffler delete and got the vibrant resonator put on at the same time. So I'm not quite sure how it's like driving with like without a resonator. Maybe it pops louder, I think. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, it's not too loud to me though. Like this isn't too loud. This is like perfect because I can still hear the car. You know, if you want to hold it at like a certain RPM, it's quieter at some parts. Oh, there's a sick car coming on the highway. Is that a Porsche? I think. I'm not quite sure though. I can barely see it. It looks like a white Porsche. So yeah, it's pretty good though. It's nothing annoying. Pretty good to me. I like to hear my car, like I say, but yeah, so that's pretty much it, because there's nothing on the highway to really do. So I'm just gonna see if I can make this Porsche catch up to me so I can show you guys before I end the recording. It's not, oh fuck, it's exiting though. Yeah, it took the other exit. I'm still, yeah, yo, that's a sick Porsche. I don't know if you guys can see it in the rear view mirror. It looks like a 911 GT3. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are hitting the pops. So I'm gonna watch this video back if you guys, so if you guys are seeing this video, obviously then you guys are hearing the pops, because if not, I don't think I'm gonna upload it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just leave a comment with like video suggestions or whatever, because I'm down to make videos. Like, not a lot of people make videos on the 2ISs, so I would love to do that. So just comment any video ideas you guys have, like any suggestions, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one. Peace.